Hello every returning viewer, and hello to all the new ones. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, it means a lot. I'm almost at 400, so make sure you hit the like button or subscribe, do whatever you can. But anyway, today we're working on this kanji logo text thing that I sort of tried to figure out how to do, because I actually have a logo and I've seen your comments saying like, oh, what is this? Where'd you do it? How did you do it? Is that a font? It's actually a logo that was made for me by a friend a while back, so I'm not really sure how to do it. I actually lost contact with this friend, so I can't ask him how he did it. So this is sort of my twist on how to do it. I'm new to this whole concept of making these type of logos, so I'm not really sure if this is the specific way. But in the future, I'll mess with this more, and I'll upload a better version. Hopefully even easier, or maybe even harder, I don't know, but it will just be a better version of this tutorial. But anyway, if you guys enjoy it, make sure to hit the like button, and let's jump right into it. So the first thing I did was I went straight to Google and I typed in English to Japanese because I do not know how to write Japanese. I also picked the word Paji because it looked easy to do, and also for of course, the views. Anyway, besides that point, I took out my sketchbook and I just started drawing down just the normal logo, the normal typography. I forgot the correct term for it. Calligraphy or something like that. I'm probably saying it wrong. Calligraphy. The next thing that I do is I just start drawing different variations of the normal font, normal Japanese text. I started changing it, make it thicker in one of those spots and thicker in other spots. Change how it's written just a little bit, like size wise and different type of things like that. Just mess around with it however you like. Just don't differ away from the main image too much, because it might even change the meaning of the word because it's how the kanji is written. The next thing I do is I take out my phone and just take a picture of the drawings once I'm happy with the design and what I think the concept is going to be for the logo. Once I get my image on my computer, I transfer it to my Gmail, but you can do anything like Mediafire and just get it on your computer. I go in the image, I just copy it and I paste it right into Adobe Illustrator. I'm using Illustrator because it vectors out the image so you could resize it without worry of it blurring. You may notice if your page is bigger than the actual document, you might have to resize it to the point where you want to see the image. I picked the image in the middle, I just moved it a little bit so I knew where it was, and then I locked the image, and I also lowered the opacity as you can see that at the top of the file. Once I lowered the opacity, I created a new tab and I started pen tooling out the image. While you're pen tooling out your image or your logo, make sure you don't feel trapped to your drawing. Make sure you go out of the way from it and change it a little bit up. Even or you can do what I did in the video, where I literally copied and pasted the same exact object, so I had the same dimensions and it didn't look all crooked or weird a little bit, you could say. Once you're satisfied with your image, you finish all pen tooling out. All you gotta do is file, export as, and save for web. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something or take something away, even if it's small as just learning what a pen tool does. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name's Evo. Make sure you like and subscribe, and peace out.